of us we have dead batteries or zombie batteries at home. Those batteries are with 1.2 volts max and they don't work with most devices, but this homemade zombie flashlight works from 0.9 volts up to 1.5 volts, AA, AAA or any 1.5 volt battery. Some of you maybe know this chip. It's 5252F and mostly is used in solar garden lamps that work on rechargeable 1.2 volts. Inside this chip there is built-in booster oscillator for powering up the LEDs and solar controller for charging the battery. In this project zombie flashlight I'm using 5252 chip that I got from eBay. I bought 100 pieces for $9. Link below the video. Next you need is coil inductor from 100 up to 300 millihenries. You choose the brightest of LEDs by adding different values of inductor. As you can see, the chip is working only with one inductor. Hook up the LEDs, power up the circuit, and light is produced from dead zombie batteries. In next couple of seconds, watch how I assemble all parts. It's amazing mini flashlight that work with one zombie battery. I hope you like today's project. If so, please share and subscribe. begin with the project how to make portable car or bike washer that works on 12 volts. Whole water machine is separated in 4 parts. The first one is the water pump, and I bought mine from eBay, and it's 12 volts 100 watts high pressure water pump that works with 2 pumps. On eBay cost $24. By the way, this is water machine, so everything needs to be good protected against water. The second part is battery pack of 12 volts. It's made from 6 LiPo cells 18650. 3 in series make 12 volts, so adding 3 more I get double the amps. Right now this pack is 12 volts and 4000 milliamperes. The battery pack will be charged with Emax B6 charger. It's a LiPo balance charger, means every cell is charged separated. So far I have 2 models, the battery pack and water pump. The next model is control board, and on this plastic lid I'm gonna place all controls, switches and voltage indicators. As you can see, control board is ready. I have placed one main switch, 2 switches for water pump, voltage and ampere meter LED indicator. That is super cool gadget. Next step is to connect the battery pack and high pressure pump with control board. On this diagram that I got here, you can see how is connected everything. From battery pack, power goes to the main switch and 2 more switches for both motors of pump. And in the same time you can watch the voltage of battery pack. Here it is electric diagram of wiring up the battery to the switches to the water pump. The fourth model is to find big plastic water tank like mine. It's a 19 liters big bottle that is enough for cleaning your bike. Thank you for watching and visit my channel for more videos.